Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. We're starting this one out on Snapchat, and we're going to be talking a little bit more about the Snapchat Maps Easter egg hunt and what the rewards are for this. So if you aren't familiar, you can go to the Snapchat Maps, just pinch on your screen, and that's going to take you to the map. And now we will start seeing eggs all over the place. If we zoom in, there will be some more eggs. They're all over, and you can go and collect them. If you tap on one, it'll probably say you're too far away, you need to get closer. So basically you need to go within this yellow zone to collect it. And then in the top right of the screen, there's 3 eggs. That'll show how many you've collected. You can tap on that. And you can see a leaderboard for your friends. I guess I'm the only one that's collected one. There's a global leaderboard and then the rules. But someone in the comments, I think their name was Nick, so shout out to Nick. They mentioned the rewards for this. So what we want to do is tap on this icon right here. That's going to open up our profile screen, and then we want to tap on trophies. So now you can see this new trophy in the top left, which is an egg. If you tap on that, you can see I've collected 1 egg during the egg hunt. So this is interesting. They're starting to do like limited edition trophies. It seems like you'll only be able to collect these eggs like once per year during Easter time. So if you want to get this trophy, go ahead and join in on the egg hunt. The left one is for collecting 1 egg. The center one is for collecting 10 eggs, and the right one is for collecting 100 eggs. I don't think I'm going to be going for the 10 or the 100, but I did get the little egg to appear, so that's kind of cool. So there's the rewards for the Easter egg hunt. Maybe they'll do something more on top of that, I'm not really sure. I also wanted to read through the comments real quick from yesterday's video. It's been getting a lot of comments, so let's hop over there and do that. Should be interesting. I've never really read through YouTube comments on this channel before. Okay, so let's start at the bottom. The Best Kid Paulers 07 says, whoa, cool. Alan says, yeah. Astro Lulu says, where? I'm in Michigan, they're too far away. Basically, if they're too far away, you probably just need to zoom in on the map more, and then more eggs will appear. Sadful says, oh no boy, I got no time to leave home. Shake my head. I don't know about that. Maybe you just need to get out there and get them eggs. It's Jalaya says, I'm just in time. Nice. Then she says, I don't see eggs on my map. People tell her to update. It might be only for USA and Canada. I'm not sure about that. I would try just updating your app, updating your phone, and then it should be there. What do you get by collecting these eggs? This is where Nick chimed in and said that you get the trophies, so thank you, Nick. Thank you, Drew, for asking. Nick has 61. He's going for the 100 bomb. Alinda says, help please, I can't see any eggs on my map. Again, try updating your phone and app. It's pretty much all I can tell you guys. Shanta says, WDF, hell nah. I'm not doing this. That's fine, you don't have to do it. Finn says, I can't collect any eggs. When I click on an egg, it makes me take a picture, but I can't take a picture. You don't have to take a picture. I think you just need to like tap on the egg or tap on the map. Some stuff appears on the camera screen that you need to tap on. You don't need to take a picture. Noah says, I like how you show your address and don't care. Yeah, I mean, I'm not popular or anything, so no one's gonna come here. If you do come here, I'll give you a free t-shirt or something. Shabby says, how fun, I wanted to play it and wasn't sure how. Thank you for posting this. Off to find eggs now. Go get them eggs, Shabby. Then Matthew says, if you keep collecting eggs, you can get Snapchat trophies for the event. That is true. Someone else just commented. It's Kitty says, I don't see eggs on my map. Can someone help me? Again, try to update your phone and update your app. That's really all I can say. I have no connection to Snapchat or anything like that. I wish I could help, but I can't. And there you have it, some new trophies for collecting eggs during the Snapchat Easter egg hunt. Go ahead and get those trophies if you want. Just getting 1 egg is pretty easy if you want to get that. Pretty understandable if you don't want to go collect 100 of them. I think they're generally at like businesses and things like that. So where I'm at, I would have to drive around and collect them all. I'm not personally going to do that. Some people might be able to walk around and collect them. That would be way easier if there's like a downtown area with a ton of businesses and stuff like that. That's all I got for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, social media, tech, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.